Hi, I'm Karen Cheng from PropNet's PNG, and today I'll be showing you what it's like staying in a beautiful EM in Bukit Panjang, my latest listing for sale. Did I mention that I actually stay in this lovely town for 20 years already? But before I show you the house, I'm a little bit hungry. Let's go and get some food first. Let's go! Welcome to Block 532 Jelapang Road, a 10 minutes bus ride from Bukit Panjang MRT and two shopping malls, Bukit Panjang Plaza and Hillion Mall. With Greenwich Shopping Centre just a 5 minutes walk away, this cluster is adequately self-sufficient. After a hard day at work, it's a blessing to be able to grab my daily necessities and reach home within minutes. Oh, you're still here. I've almost forgotten. Come, let's check out the house. After a day of activities, leave your concerns outside and welcome home to this comfortable two-story apartment painted in a soothing color palette. The dry and wet kitchen concept is a modern design that many families highly covet nowadays. For working couples, if you are too busy to prepare a full meal, this dry kitchen allows minimal fuss for you to prepare a simple snack. After a quick meal, lounge on the comfortable sofa and watch your favorite sitcom in this brightly lit, well-ventilated and cozy space as you share a good bonding time with family and friends. For most of us, bedrooms are where you retreat from the hustle and bustle of life. This amazing master ensuite is your best sanctuary of peace and tranquility. Read a book and have a cup of tea at this bay window seat that doubly serves as storage space. Refresh yourself in the well-renovated bathroom, take a relaxing shower before calling it a day. Would you like to enjoy such a lifestyle in this beautiful EM? View it for yourself today. Please call 8339-5217 to arrange for a VIP viewing. See you soon!